Paddock full of kangaroos down there again, and the reason that I'm filming at the present time is you take notice of the ground here. Watch the way the horses are walking over it. As you can see, they desperately need steel shoes to protect their feet. Mother Nature was lax. I haven't got it, the goods are here.
You darling. You baby. He's first. He's coming in.
Come on, Smudge. What are you doing, Alice? Tess? Let's have a look at these feet of yours on the rocks. What are you doing, Elsie? Oh, having a poo.
Have you got more licorice?
Yeah, on the bonnet, I think. Tess? Hello, darling Tessie. There's my girl. Let's have a look at Elsie's feet here. Careful, don't hurt your feet in those rocks, Els.
Baby. Yeah, you'll have to do Elsie. Richard?
Okay. Them ants. Them feet. Hey, don't bite me, darling. Get back off that fence. Get back. Stand on ants. No wonder you got funny feet. It's funny the rocks won't hurt them, but the ants will. Tessa's feet. They all need a trim. March flies everywhere.
Oh, Bubba.
Look at the damn march flies. You wait and see it. Misty's legs up here and see the blood on her legs. Barbed wire. I hate barbed wire. Might have to replace that with some plain. Yeah, look at where the back leg there particularly. She always cops it there, the blood. See there, go down there.
Bang in the dam.
March flies.
Well, hop in the dam, darling. Put your feet in the dam.
Yep.
Bang in the dam.
It's a beautiful hoppe, misty, sunny, Clancy. Look at the flies have been biting Clancy here, or the mozzies. Elsie, Tess, Pauline, and nuts of butter. And beautiful.
Good girl.
Beautiful, 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 beautiful.